My name is Samantha.
My name is Lindy Scovey, and our recipe is called the Berry Blast Smoothie. And so, first, you're going to add a 1/4 cup pineapple juice to 1 teaspoon chia seeds and let that sit for a while because it's going to make the smoothie a different texture, make it thicker, and it also adds nutrients. And then after that's done sitting, you're going to add it to the blender.
Next, you're gonna add 1 cup of strawberries cut up. Like first, you're gonna put them whole in the 1 cup measuring, and then you're gonna take 2 out for like the egg for the top, and then you're gonna cut them up into pieces, and then you're gonna add it to your smoothie.
Then you're going to take your cauliflower and add 1/2 cup of frozen cauliflower into the smoothie.
And then you're gonna add 1 cup of light and fit yogurt, vanilla yogurt, to the smoothie. And then you're gonna add 1/8 of Better Stevia to your smoothie, 1/8 teaspoon.
And then once you have all of that in the blender, you're going to take it over to blend.
Take the lid off, take it over to your cups. You're going to pour your smoothies into your cup. And you can take the spatula. You can clean the whole dish. And then you have 2 smoothies.